So state collection agents are under a very tight guideline for how they're supposed to behave. And their behavior is mandated through either statute or through administrative collections manuals or procedures. So a lot of the conduct that they have is governed internally. So although you do want to foster a generally good relationship with the agent, some agents are notoriously difficult to deal with, or some go off the reservation from time to time. So if you have a situation where you have a breach of conduct, you make sure you want to document the conduct that occurred. You want to get the agent's name and ID number or station number, and then you want to ask the collection agent for a phone conference with their manager. One of the rights that is instilled for most taxpayers is access to an immediate supervisor. So the collection agent, in California, for example, the collection agent is supposed to give you a call back. It's supposed to have the supervisor give you a call back within 48 hours. Some collection agents will not do this. They'll refuse to enter notes in the system. They won't pass the message along, and in which case you are still entitled to that phone call. And I've gotten a lot of really good results by escalating and making an issue of the conduct of the collection agent over the actual situation of the taxpayer, and that's been a really good result. In cases where you can't get a hold of the manager or don't have access to the information, I would suggest that you reach out to the Taxpayer Advocate's Office in California or in your state of residence. The Taxpayer Advocate's Office has mixed results depending on what state you're in, but in California, one of the things that they're really good at is facilitating phone calls with you and an immediate collection supervisor. All calls that come into the state of California are recorded, so the supervisor has the ability to go and pull the backup tapes of the phone calls in the event that they need to review transcripts, and that is a really useful tool for getting to the bottom of any really bad behavior from collection agents.